Mic check, mic check. Okay. Yeah, proper voice. So, good evening to one and all. This is your boy Shiv Pratap on the stage, and this time I'm here to do a beatboxing, of course. So, how many of you? I think that most of you have might listen the Western beat. It goes like it goes like it goes like. Okay, okay. So that's how our Western beat goes like. Would you like to listen to Western beat in my own style? Would you like to listen my Western beat in my own style? Yeah. Okay, so let's do it, man. Yeah, boy. Okay. So this is how our Western beat goes like, and that was in my own style. Now, wait a minute. Let me close my zip. Okay. It has been again open. Let me close it again. Oh shit! It's saying that give me a beat. Give me a beat. Listen a beat now. Hey, would you like to listen the beatboxing in our Indian style? Give me a yes. Would you like to listen beatboxing in our Indian style? Okay, okay. Let's do South Indian. How many of you are from South India? Listen the beat. Okay, at the end, now I have three different beats. Okay, okay. Listen this. That is like on this beat I have been working for around 3 or 4 months. So listen this one. Now this time I have three different beats. The first is of the drum. Would you like to listen? It goes like. The second is of the water clock. It goes like. And the third sound is of the rim shot. It comes like. Would you like to listen all the three sounds at the same time, bro? Okay, listen the three beats at the same time.
road trip.